Hey guys, coming at you very early Monday morning. We've got our Chapter 10 test right now. Chapter 10 test, and we actually have 10 questions. Okay, first thing. On this test, it is definitely open notes. So, get everything set up. Get your notes out. Get your homework out. Get it all right in front of you so that when you sit down to do these 10 problems, everything's set. You can just turn and burn and make this look awesome. So it's open notes. Get it all in front of you. Make sure you show all your work. Show all steps. Show your work. Hey, and take me a really good picture too. So when you get it set up right on top of it, makes it real easy for me to grade. Easy for me to grade, makes your grade a lot better. Okay, open note test. Make sure you show all your steps, show your work, take an awesome picture. All right, let's do this. You have 10 questions. The first 6 questions are solve by quadratic formula, which would make sense. So that's questions 1 through 6 are all solved by quadratic formula. So let's put a few of these down. Let's see what we can get down. 1 through 6 solved by quadratic formula. All right, here we go. Your test. Okay, so x squared. All right, so we've got 6 questions in a row that are solved by quadratic formula. That one's kind of hard to see the end of it. Sorry about that, guys. There you go. So, solve by quadratic formula. 1, let's check it. X squared minus 3x equals 10. That's correct. 2x squared plus minus 6. That is correct. So there's 1 and 2 solving by quadratic formula. Let's get 3 and 4 on here. 3 x squared minus 6x plus 3 equals 0. 4 2x squared minus 14x plus 19 equals 0. Alright, so here's number 3 and number 4, also solved by quadratic formula. X squared minus 6x plus 3 equals 0. 2x squared minus 14x plus 19 equals 0. Alright, got them. Let's put 5 and 6 on here. Number 5, 2x squared plus 8x plus 3 equal to 0. And number 6, x squared minus 10x plus 29 equals 0. Alright, double check them. 2x squared plus 8x plus 3. X squared minus 10x plus 29. Awesome. Alright, so that's 1 through 6, solving by quadratic formula. Then we get into 7 and 8, different directions. This was the thing we did called the discriminant. Let's do discriminant. So you've got to find discriminant. And then the second half, you have to identify what type of solution. Identify type of solution. Alright, so that's number 7 and number 8 are these directions. 4x squared plus 24x plus 36 equals 0. Number 8, x squared minus 5x plus 10 equals 0. All right, let's double check these. 4x squared plus 24x plus 36, x squared minus 5x plus 10 equals 0. So again, these were the questions where you have to find the discriminant, you got to find the number, and then you have to tell like, oh, okay, that's 2 unequal real solutions or 2 complex solutions. All right, so 2 parts on this. Find discriminant, identify the type. That's how you do questions 7 and 8. All right, home stretch. Let's do 9 and 10. All right, 9 and 10. We're going to solve for x. So this is where you have the square root in the middle of the problem. Okay, last two questions. Okay, so for the last two questions, you're just solving for x, just like we did on homework 6. So you got square root of 5x minus 4 minus 1 equals 3. Square root of 3x plus 19 plus 1 equals 8. All right, guys, you're set. So again, these are your 10 questions for this test. Open notes, show all your steps, take an awesome picture, get right on top of it, make it real easy for me. All right, guys, get on it. Make this look perfect.